Transform old kitchenware into beautiful decorations and enjoy the coming spring. Simple and affordable. Spring is slowly but surely approaching. Prepare beautiful decorations from old kitchenware and get ready for the long-awaited season. Get inspired. Today, we have prepared lovely ideas for what to do with old kitchenware that has served its purpose. Instead of throwing it away, consider reusing it. Upcycle. Use a bit of creative imagination and some DIY skills. To create some of the following decorations, you can use old mugs, bowls, plates, pitchers, baking molds, roasting pans, and many other kitchen items. Then, go for a walk and collect nature's gifts such as twigs, sticks, and moss. Plant spring bulbs or your favorite spring flowers in them. In the final stage of creating, just add small decorations.